What are you doing, Marley? You got the hiccups? Why don't you say hi? Go brush your hair. See? So pretty. Just sitting in your boppy. I told Daddy you liked the boppy. I don't know why he didn't listen. Right? You brush your hair some more. So cute. Say I love you. I love you, Daddy. Oh my goodness. Say night night, Daddy. Say I love you.